There we go. Okay, Sparky.
Beautiful.
There you go.
So we're coming up on Thanksgiving already, and of course, you guys are getting. Would you say it was 22 degrees or something? You woke up?
21.
Yikes! Yes,
A balmy
21.
21.
I think I got up this morning. It was 70 and it's sunny. Just saying. Anyway, but the holidays are coming.
Uh-huh.
Thanksgiving is just around the corner. Then comes Christmas, so everybody should be putting up their decorations. So we need to talk about outdoor electrical safety.
Oh, look at you.
So the National Fire Protection Association says, time to decorate. Let's do it safely.
Uh-huh.
First off, have a qualified electrician do all your electrical work. Nah. Just, yeah. Well, it depends what you're talking about. I mean, if you're going to add circuits, do stuff like that. Because, all right, here's the thing. I'm just smart enough to be dangerous. And I will give you an example. So when I redid my kitchen, one of the things that we do is we do not put any outlets in the backsplash. Because they're hard to tile around.
Right.
So we use outlet strips
Uh-huh.
mounted under the cabinets, and Sempria, the brand that I use, has LED lights in them. So now I have under cabinet lighting and everything. However, these do not come GFI protected. So I went out and bought GFI breakers, thinking I would just protect it at the panel.
Sure. Yeah, that's good thought. It makes sense.
And on the one circuit, it worked just fine.
Uh-huh.
Because it had its own neutral.
Uh-huh.
However, on the other circuit, it turns out the refrigerator is paired with that neutral.
Uh-huh.
GFI will not stay on.
Correct.
So one side protected, one side's not. I
Uh-huh.
have to pull the outlet strip down and replace the outlet.
No, you don't. Put a 220 GFI breaker in. That way, one side feeds the refrigerator, one side feeds your...
But does that use a common neutral?
Yeah.
And that works?
Yeah. Boom, done.
See, that's why... Wait, let's go back to this one. Have a qualified electrician do all your electrical work. Back to my point. I did pretty good for a carpenter. I didn't know that would work. All right. To prevent electrical shock, make sure all your outside electrical receptacles are GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter protected.
Yes.
All
In the garage, any unfinished space in the basement, anywhere outside.
Yes. Use lighting and power tools that have the label of an independent test laboratory. Is this, how come nobody just says Underwriter Laboratory, UL label? Is there another, what's another tester?
There are
Yeah,
a few.
Yeah. The only other one I know of is that, what is it, CFP or whatever on the vitamins,
Mhm.
which if you Google it, it's actually owned by the vitamin company, so you know it's all BS. All right. Store your electrical tools indoors. Well, that's common sense.
Okay.
Keep electric tools away from children.
Okay. Yeah, I get that.
Man, who wrote this?
I don't know. Where'd you get that?
NFPA.
Okay.
I said that. I gave him credit right at the beginning.
Yeah, that's true.
All right. Protect outlets from the elements by making sure they are covered when not in use.
Yeah. They make some
What about
in-use
the
covers.
in-use?
They make
Those
some
things are so ugly.
Yes, but
But they work.
they make some in-use covers now that are really good. So go. Wrap up.
Extension cords are not meant for long-term use. Do not connect generators directly to household wiring. Do not overload a generator. Power lines. Have a professional tree cutting service. Trim branches that might fall on electric wiring.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.